Hey guys, it's the Mr. 9622 here. This is Pokemon Battle Revolution Part 4, and this is going to be the final battle in the Waterfall Colosseum.
Both corners are full of energy, so we're sure to see a great battle. And now, the battle begins. Bam! A brilliant attack right from the start. It's down already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokemon have appeared. Beaten down by close combat. It's down already. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win, and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokemon have appeared. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. Its speed rose. Golem starts to attack. Bam! It's down and out. The results are in. It's a total victory for the blue corner.